In this quick video guide, we are going to talk about Waze. What is Waze? It's basically a smartphone app that will help you to define your route and go from a location to another and trying to avoid traffic. And also it's kind of a social network because you can see the other people who are using Waze and you can communicate with them. And so it has a lot of other additional tools. And so let's see here also some of the presentation slides that we find on Google Play. So there you go. So you can find the best routes with real-time alerts for traffic, police, accidents, and more. You can check your speedometer and check your speed if it's above or below the limit, and also you can use your music app without leaving the Waze. And also you can find the closest station and the parking, and there you go. So you can also set some time alerts. You have all these functions here in Waze. Now I will show you here how to use Waze really quick. So I will open up this, and this is the icon right there. Of course you can download and install Waze from the Play Store. Just look for it like that, and then you click on this green button here. This will install Waze, and once it's installed you just open it from here, or you can open it by the icon on your screen, on the smartphone screen. Now I also want to do an additional thing here. I want to use this GPS emulator to define to simulate actually a position. So for example, right now I am in Italy, but let's say that I want to change this and place this in Iceland. Alright, let's go, for example, somewhere here. Don't know what that is. So I will place the marker right there, and let's get back to Waze. So I will open it up from here, and now it's showing me that I am in Iceland. There you go. So you can use your fingers here to move around. Just open and close your fingers to zoom, and you can rotate the map. There it is. So I can also give other information here, like selection of the type of vehicle. Could be taxi or motorcycle, electric, private, whatever. And I can do some settings here. I'm sorry this is in Italian right now, but I'm not going to go too deep in this. I just want to show you how to use the basic functions. So let's say that I am now here. I want to go to Reykjavik, so I will click on the search here and say, I can also use my microphone with that red button right here. And let's say I want to say Reykjavik. Okay, he understood. Also you can type, and now let's say, yeah, I want to go here, Reykjavik, Iceland, and I can also find the closest parking here, and also other parking slots. Also it's telling me that there are almost 2,000 kilometers to reach Reykjavik from my current location, so I say go. All right, now it's calculating the tour, and I can also add stops for gas station there or eating. Okay, there I go. So now I am placed here. Of course I'm not moving, so I can see all the route here all the way from Reykjavik right there. That's my goal destination, and I can click on this little arrow here again to go there. And what else? I can click here and scroll this up to check again if I want to add a stop for gas or for food. I can also check what's the best timing to begin my route, and also I can set a timer, and also I can check more routes by clicking on this icon here, or I can share my route with other people, or I can go here and see everything back again, all the route that I need to do. Okay, now this is basically it. It's so simple. Now if there are other people here around, I don't think there are too many people in Iceland, but if there is someone here who is using let's see, maybe in the Reykjavik someone is there, yeah. So these are other users here, or Wazers. So for example, I can click here and check this guy here, and if it has an account, I can communicate, I can send a message, I can send a beep, and I can check all the public details. And well, that's basically it. Now this is just an introduction, of course, but I hope you enjoyed, and if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, which is JBD2 or JB Design Tube. There you go. You will find also other video guides. Now if you want to use a GPS emulator yourself, you can click here, search for GPS emulator, and you will find a guide talking about this other app. So yeah, there you go. So there is one in English and one in Italian, I guess, or just type GPS guide and you will find other guides about GPS and things like that. So also how to create tours, and well, anything you don't find, please write a comment and we will show you the way, or we will create a video guide for you if you are interested in some particular app for the smartphone. So please subscribe. If you want to support us, join and use these links here also to support us and to get rewarded yourself. You can also check other ways to support us in the community page, in the store, in the about page down below here. And that's it. Check our daily videos here and the more professional video courses in the playlist page. At the top here we have many video courses for video editing, graphic design, 3D design, and so on. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.